God, these emails keep coming. What? Man, these are the dumbest questions I've ever seen. What do people keep doing? Oh my God, my phone is not ringing. What in the hell? Yeah, what's up? What do you want? I'm in the middle of a whole bunch of other things. What are you doing? My phone's about to die. God, man, just one thing after another. It's just crazy. I'm probably have the worst luck out of anybody. I can't get nothing done. What the f? So what is ruining your life? Stress. What is stress? Stress is a state of mental or emotional strain or tension resulting from adverse or very demanding circumstances. Man, that's a lot of weird words. All I know is stress. You shouldn't have any. So let me tell you why stress is so bad for you. Well, first off, it's very unhealthy. People that have a lot of stress have high blood pressure, chest pains, fatigue, difficulty breathing, sleep problems. Usually these types of things will result in you having to take a lot of medications and just having a bad life. This is gonna cause you to have to go to the doctor over and over and over again. Who wants to go to the doctor? I know I don't want to. Being unhealthy and having to go to the doctor all the time just makes your quality of life so much worse, and this is gonna ruin your life. Another reason why it's terrible to have stress is it's just super inefficient. There's nothing good that happens when you're stressed out. You think that when you're stressed out, you might could solve problems, but literally when you have stress, you can't solve anything. You make crazy bad decisions and everything gets worse and worse. So let me give you an example of how this could happen in real life. So I used to play a lot of poker, and when something really bad happened in poker, I lost a lot of money or something, I got bad beat or something crazy, I would go on tilt. And when I went on tilt, that's similar to stress. And what happens when I was on tilt, I would just make really bad decisions and lose way more money than if I wasn't on tilt. And to bring this to an example of real life, when you're on tilt in real life, you're gonna make terrible decisions. You're gonna lose money and you're gonna probably take it out on your wife, your kids, other people around you, and you don't even mean it because you're on tilt, so you don't even realize that you're doing it. Don't be stressed out, it's not worth it. And this leads me to the next thing that's gonna ruin your life if you're stressed out. You're just gonna be unenjoyable. Everyone around you is gonna be unenjoyable. When you're unenjoyable, when you're stressed out, you're gonna make everyone around you just like you. And people just aren't gonna wanna hang around you. If people aren't hanging around you, your life's gonna get worse. You need people around you that are positive, that are gonna help you succeed in life. So this is very, very simple. Just don't be stressed out and your life won't be ruined and it'll be much better. Now like, subscribe, comment on other videos you wanna see me make, and we're gonna make them happen. Peace. All right, no, I'm just kidding. The video's not over yet. I'm gonna show you how I do it. So not being stressed sounds very, very simple in theory, but it can be a difficult practice if you're not used to it. If you hang around me, you'll see all these different things I do, and these are the things that keep me very, very calm and never stressed out. I'm always smiling, I'm always happy. If you come around me, you're never gonna see me like in a bad mood or very upset. I'm smiling no matter what happens, I stay positive and I stay happy. So next time you feel like you're stressed, start smiling. I guarantee you it's impossible to be angry and stressed out if you smile. Just something happens with you that as soon as you start smiling, you become happy. Another thing I do is self-care. I literally take care of myself all the time. I go get pedicures and manicures, and I'm in the sauna, I'm in the steam room, I get massages, I go to the chiropractor, I go to cryotherapy. I just do stuff like this all the time. It keeps my body relaxed and it keeps me so calm, and I don't get stressed out because of these things. Another thing I do is always try to break a sweat. So what I like to do is jujitsu. Everybody knows I've made millions of dollars in jujitsu if you watch that video up here. But besides jujitsu, I love going to the gym, working out, getting in the sauna. Man, every single time I sweat, it takes out all that bad stuff out of me and it calms me down and it keeps me so relieved and stress-free. I know a lot of people meditate to help them to be less stressful. I don't meditate, but my jujitsu and my working out is my meditation for me. Another thing I do to keep my life stress-free is I surround myself with positive people. Literally every single person I'm around is always positive. If someone's not positive, I kick them out of my life. If someone's not positive, I unfriend them on Facebook. If someone's not positive, I'll never go around them. I don't let them around me. If you let yourself around people that are not positive, you might get stressed. But because I don't let those people around me, I'm never stressed. Now I'm gonna get into like the next 3 things that are super, super important. Very, very useful. Make sure you get your notepads out and you do these because this is a game changer. It's gonna change your life forever. So this first really important thing I wanna talk about is the perspective of life. Let me tell you what this means. No matter how bad you think your life is, there's always people worse than you. If you could think about them, you could realize how good your life really is. And just by seeing all these different people that have worse lives, you realize that, look, maybe my life's not so bad. And you know what? You're gonna keep getting better and better from there. Think about how bad your life was maybe a few years ago or in the past, and how much better it is now than it was. And it'll just keep getting better. This next one is something I do all the time. I don't care who you are, if you're around me, if you talk to people that know me, they're gonna say this is my main thing. What is it? Well, I always focus on the solutions. I never focus on the problems. Literally for every single problem, there's shitloads of solutions. And for every single solution, there's shitloads of problems. Don't be the person that finds the problem in every solution. Be the person that finds the solution in every single problem. Now, a lot of this, has to do with just being creative, and a lot of it's just having to want to have a better life. And lastly, this is something I see so many people around me that fall into that I always gotta talk to them and explain to them. I gotta shake them. Don't do this, don't do this. So this is what they do. They stress out about things that already happened in the past. They stress out about things they can't control. You need to just focus on things that you can control going forward and what you can do to make your life better in the future. Don't worry about what happened in the past. It's over with. There's nothing you can do. Don't worry about it. Just make your life better going forward.
All right, Axe, come on. We have so much to do today. Let's wrap this shit up. We gotta go to Tennessee. We have all these meetings we gotta go to. You have emails to answer. Let's just get this shit going, man.
Dude, don't stress out, dude. We're gonna handle it all. Don't worry about it. We're good. Don't worry about it. Shh, calm. Let's go. Let's do some jujitsu. Let's get, What? So if you implement all these things we just talked about, you're gonna have a much happier and successful life, and you're gonna live stress-free just like me. If you don't want to be stressed out anymore, you better like, subscribe, and comment on other cool videos you want to see me make.